Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As we have done four parts of question number 3, today we are going to solve the fifth part by completing square method. The first step was this: take the constant term without x, the value without x on other side. There isn't any value without x, so it means there is a need to write it. Second step, we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. उसके लिए हम क्या करते थे कि जब स्क्वायर के साथ के लिए उसके ऊपर डिवाइड कर देंगे. अब जो स्क्वायर के साथ के लिए वो 3 है, so we will divide the whole equation by 3 plus 7x over 3 is equal to 0 over 3. 3 will cancel with 3. X square plus 7 over 3x is equal to 0. Now we have to complete the square formula. For completing the square formula, we have to write here x whole square plus 2 into first value into second value plus second value square. Here also 0 plus second value square. How to find the second value? b की वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड करते थे? x के कोएफिशिएंट को 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके. जैसे 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 7 1 is 7, 2 3s are 6. So it means second value is 7/6. Here also we will write 7/6. So यहाँ पे भी 7/6. Now it has become the perfect square. X plus 7/6 whole square is equal to 0 plus 49/36. 0 ऐड कर दे तो वैल्यू वही रहेगी. X plus 7/6 whole square is equal to 49/36. Now we have to simplify it. For that we will write here taking square root. Now we will take the square root on both sides. Is equal to 49/36. Square root of this. Square will cancel with the square root. X plus 7/6 is equal to plus minus 7/6. Now one term we will write with plus 7/6 and one term with minus. So x plus 7/6 is equal to 7/6 and second x plus 7/6 is equal to minus 7/6. Now for simplification we will take this value on other side. 7/6 plus 7/6, when we will take on other side it will be minus 7/6. They will be cancelled, so x is equal to 0 and here x is equal to minus 7/6. This plus one will take on other side, it will be minus 7/6. Here we have to take the LCM. 6 is LCM. Minus 7, minus 7. So it will be minus 14/6. 2 3s are, 2 7s are. So it means that x is equal to minus 7/3. So solution set will be that is 0 and minus 7/3. It was our question number 5. Now we have to solve the sixth part of this question. In sixth part the value is given x square minus 2x minus 195 is equal to 0. Same methodology. The first step we have to take the constant value on other side. So x square minus 2x is equal to 195. Second step we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. वो already बन गया. So third step में क्या था? We have to complete the formula. So इसको करेंगे a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square is equal to 195 plus b square. अब सेकंड वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट है 2x का, तो इसको 2 को 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 will cancel with 2. 1 is the answer. So सेकंड वैल्यू हमारे पास आ जाएगी 1. ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन गया. x minus 1 whole square is equal to 195 plus 1. But 1 is 1. So x minus 1 whole square is equal to 196. अब taking square root on both sides. Taking square root. So square root जब लेंगे तो ये square root से कैंसिल. 196 का स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे वो होता है 14. 14 are 196. So here will be plus minus 14. Now one time with plus 14 and one time with minus 14. सो यहाँ से हो जाएगा x इज इक्वल टू 14 माइनस 1 उधर जाके प्लस 1 हो गया और यहाँ पे x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 14 ये माइनस 1 उधर जाके प्लस 1 हुआ सो x इज इक्वल टू 15 एंड x इज इक्वल टू minus 13 our solution set will be 15 and minus 13 it is your answer in seventh part the value is given minus x square plus 15 over 2 is equal to 7 over 2x so first step क्या था we have to separate the constant ये है तो इसके साथ x square है इसको दूसरी साइड पे ले जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन क्या बन जाएगा हमारे पास 15 over 2 is equal to 7 over 2x plus x square इसको अरेंज करें तो x square plus 7 over 2x is equal to 15 over 2 पहला स्टेप हमारा हो चुका कि we have separated the constant सेकंड स्टेप हो चुका क्योंकि coefficient of x square already 1 है so we will directly move towards the formula so x square plus 2 into x into second value plus second value का square यहाँ पे 15 over 2 here also square of second value how to find second value so उसको हम करेंगे बेटा 1 over 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे coefficient of x को 7 over 2 को तो 7 1 is 7 2 2s are 4 तो मीन सेकंड वैल्यू हमारे पास है 7 over 4 7 over 4 and 7 over 4 now it has become the perfect square of x plus 7 over 4 whole square यहाँ पे आएगा 15 over 2 plus 49 over 4 4 the 16 this value we will write as it is x plus 7 over 4 whole square and here we have to take the LCM will be 16 2 8s are 16 तो 8 को 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करें हमारे पास आंसर आता है 120 plus 16 1 is 16 49 as it is so x plus 7 over 4 whole square is equal to 169 over 16 now it is solved so we have to simplify it so we will write here taking square root when we will take the square root it will be x plus 7 over 4 whole square root is equal to 169 over 16 square root this square will cancel with the square root and x plus 7 over 4 is equal to plus minus 169 is the perfect square of 13 and 16 is the perfect square of 4 now one time we will write with plus 13 over 4 and one time we will write with minus 13 by 4 now 13 by 4 this plus 7 over 4 when we will take on other side it will be minus 7 over 4 here it will be 4 LCM 13 minus 7 so 13 minus 7 the answer is 6 over 4 2 2s are 4 2 3s are 6 so x is equal to 3 by 2 and here x is equal to minus 13 by 4 and minus 7 by 4 so 4 is the LCM minus 13 minus 7 so it will be minus 20 by 4 4 5s are 20 so x is equal to minus 5 which means that our solution set contains two terms that are 3 by 2 and minus 5 which is our answer now the question number 8 is given to us that is x square plus 17x plus 33 by 4 the first step we have to separate the constant so it will be x square plus 17x is equal to minus 33 by 4 second was the coefficient of x square we have to make it 1 which is already so we will move towards the formula x whole square plus 2 into x into second term plus second term का square is equal to minus 33 by 4 plus square of second term how to find second term the coefficient of x we have to multiply by 1 by 2 so 17 1 is 17 by 2 second term is 17 by 2 here also 17 by 2 and 17 by 2 here is it is a perfect square x plus 17 over 2 whole square and here minus 33 by 4 plus the square of 17 that is 289 by 2 to the 4 so x plus 17 by 2 whole square is equal to here 4 is the LCM and minus 33 plus 289. So x plus 17 by 2 whole square is equal to 289 minus 33, the answer will be 256 by 4. Now we have to take the square root. If we want to cancel, we can cancel these two terms, but at the end again we have to take the LCM. So to avoid that situation, we are not doing any cancellation here, as we have not done in the previous questions. So taking square root, x plus 17 over 2 whole square root is equal to 256 by 4 square root. It will be cancelled, and here it will be x plus 17 over 2 is equal to plus minus 256 is the perfect square of 16, so it will be 16, and 4 is the perfect square of 2, so here will be 2. Now we have to write one time is plus and one time is minus, and in the end we will get the answer x is equal to 16 by 2. When we take this plus 17 by 2 on the other side, it will be minus. So 2 is the LCM, 16 minus 17, it will be minus 1 by 2. And here x is equal to minus 16 by 2. This plus 17 by 2 when we take on the other side, it will be minus 17 by 2. And x is equal to 2 is the LCM, minus 16 minus 17. So x is equal to minus 33 by 2, as both are of minus. So it means we will add them. Now solution set is minus 1 by 2 and minus 33 by 2. Today we have done the 4 parts, and tomorrow inshallah ta'ala we will do the last 2 remaining parts, and then our exercise will be complete. Thank you.